Hello and welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind. I am Dr. Vilas Kaikar. Friends, we are meeting after a long time in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind, episode number 56. And today's rubric is delirium. Delirium means it is a disorder state of mind, or it is a transient mental disturbance that is characterized by confusion, disorientation, disordered speech, restlessness, excitement during the course of mental illness, shock, high fever, or intoxication. A person with delirium may experience changes in their awareness of where they are. They may seem out of it, lethargic, or uninterested in their surroundings. They may be confused, anxious, or sees or hears things that are not present there. Thinking and remembering are impaired, and anxiety, euphoria, or fear may occur. This is the delirium meaning. The Hindi meaning is उन्माद, बेहोशी में बोलना. मराठी meaning बुद्धी विभ्रम, आजारी किंवा अन्य कारणाने झालेल्या बेचैनीतून मानसिक उत्तेजन, गोंधळून जाणे, असंबद्ध भाषण, अस्वस्थता, मानसिक आजारातील खळखळ, उत्तेजन, उन्माद इत्यादी लक्षणांनी युक्त असा तात्पुरता स्वरूपाचा मानसिक शांतताभंग म्हणजे delirium. Then now we'll see the important remedies for delirium. First is agaricus, then arsenic, orentriphyllum, belladonna, bryonia, cannabis indica, iacimus, lacasis, lycopodium, nitric acid, opium, rustox, sicklecor, stramonium, veratrum, and Veratum viridi. Then we will see the cross references for delirium. First is complaining delirium in traumatic. Second, delusion delirious. Third is ecstasy amorous delirium during. Next, gestures makes picks bedclothes. Carphalgia, delirium with. The next is grimaces. The next is insanity. Then lamenting alternately with delirium. Then muttering and speech delirious. The next is unreal everything seems. These are the cross references for the delirium. The miasm is syphilitic miasm, and the disease condition or psychiatric conditions are: first is high fever, second side effects of certain medicines, third is temporal lobe epilepsy, fourth manic state, fifth is cerebrovascular accident, then drug withdrawal states, and lastly the toxic condition after head injury. So these are the psychiatric conditions for the delirium. So this is in short for the delirium. Hope you all like this. We will meet in the next episode with a new rubric. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.